Hello everyone, welcome to the next video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the isometric drawings. Isometric drawings are the three-dimensional representations. So for that, we have to change this workspace. This is right now, it is in rectangular snap mode. We have to convert into isometric mode. How we are going to do that one? In the object snap settings, left side, right side corner, object snap settings, go to snap and grid option. In here, the grid snap, rectangular snap, it will be like that. Bubble, ribbon button, I click on the ribbon button, isometric snap, and white spacing 1. Okay. If you observe, these grid lines, background grid lines have a change. So if I want to change the plane, isometric, there are mainly three planes: ISO left, ISO right, ISO top. So this is the ISO left plane, this is the ISO top plane, and this is the ISO right plane. So how to change the planes? Plane changing is used by using the functional key F5. F5, by using F5 functional key, will change the plane. After clicking that one, the modifications will be done. Okay. So let me tell you, while drawing this isometric sketch, make sure that ortho is on always. So I am drawing with some arbitrary dimensions, say 20. 20. So observe the grid lines. I am drawing a cube. 20. Bottom side 20. And this side also 20. For suppose if I want to go this side, this side, it is not allowing me to go. So for that indicate that is that we have to change the direction. We have to change the plane. Now the arrow, the background grid lines are like that in that direction. So click on that one, 20, top 20. This one also 20. To draw a cube on the top surface, if I am trying to draw, it is not possible. So it is simply, what we have to do, we have to change the plane. 50, 20. Okay, and this ends the plane. So in this way, we are going to represent the three-dimensional object. Three-dimensional object by using isometric mode. Okay, so for suppose on this plane, if we have a circle of radius 10, on this periphery we have a circle of radius. So is it correct in isometric mode? No. When the plane is inclined, it looks like ellipse. So to draw this, we have to type ellipse in the command line. Ellipse in the command line. So where there is a visibility of isocircle command. Isocircle command will be visible when you enter into the isometric mode only. It won't be visible when you are in the rectangular mode. Isometric mode, I am clicking on that. So it is asking about the center point somewhere I have given. So if I want to change the plane, just change F5. Click on the F5. What is the direction? What is the thickness? What is the radius of the circle? 5. So in this way, we are going to draw the, for suppose on the top, if I want to draw, what I have to do? Ellipse, center midpoint, top plane. I want to change the plane. Ellipse. Click on the isocircle. On the top plane, I am changing the plane. I am giving some dimension. Okay. In this fashion, I am going to give. Now, If I want to give the dimensions for this, how I am able to? Dimension, linear dimension. It is wrong, right? So if I give the aligned dimensions, then it is correct. Aligned dimension. Similarly, aligned dimensions. This one is also correct, right? But if I want to give these dimensions along this plane, it is somewhat inclined. It looks like somewhat inclined. So how I am able to do that one? How I am able to represent the dimensions as per the plane? So how? In the dimension, go to oblique. There is a command called oblique. Click on that oblique. What it is asking, select the object to be clicked. So object, select the dimension. After giving the dimensions only, you are able to do the oblique command. Dimension, enter. In which direction you want, just select that direction. So I will repeat with this command. Dimension, oblique, select the objects, enter. So in this direction I want. This will be aligned. For suppose, if this aligned to this direction. So dimension, oblique, select the object, enter. This direction I want. So it will be represented like this, right? Okay. For suppose, if we want to represent this circle. So there is no option. Use the command leader line to represent the value, or simply use the command text 3 rotation angle 0. What is the value of this text? Diameter 10. Leader. Okay. In this fashion, we are going to give the leader line dimensions. In the next video, we are going to deal with the isometric first exercise. How we will use the commands. The draw toolbar, modify toolbar basics remains the same alongside with isometric settings. How we are going to represent. We'll see. Thank you.